Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WordPress WooCommerce Wallet System. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you the workflow at the customer's end on the storefront, how the customers would now be able to make use of the wallet payment system for making purchases within the store, how the customers would be able to add wallet amount under their own account panel. And apart from that, we'll also be showing you how the WooCommerce store owner would be able to set up the wallet system from the admin backend and how he can basically make a refund for the orders for which the customers have used the wallet as a payment method. So all in all, we'll be showing you each and every step there. And before we proceed further, let me give you a small gist about this wallet system itself. So basically, this plugin allows the customers to make online payments using their wallet system, thus providing the customers with a new innovative way of paying for the orders. And thus they can now place the orders within the WooCommerce store with an ease, and the customers can easily add the credit to their wallet and can also transfer the wallet amount to the other customers as well. Apart from that, the admin can set the minimum maximum limit for adding the money to the wallet itself, and the store admin would also be able to do a refund to his customers using the wallet system itself. So now let's get ahead and let's go to the web store front end and let's see how the customers would be able to make use of the wallet system itself. So right now I'm at the WooCommerce web store front end, as you can see. So I'll be logging into my customer account by entering my username and the password here and tapping the login button thereafter. Now after the admin has successfully installed and configured the wallet system from the admin backend panel, and after that the customers would be able to see the my wallet option here on the left hand side panel, as you can see right now. So let me tap on my wallet and that would bring up my complete details for my wallet. So here you can see that right now I am having 152.50 pounds in my wallet, and on the right hand side we have an option to add the amount to the wallet itself. So from here you can enter the amount that you want to add to your wallet, and after that you can tap the add to wallet button. Apart from that, we have the complete details of the wallet transactions that we have done within our store. So here you can see that we have the wallet cashback that was based on product, and for that the amount was credited. And similarly we can see that we also had the wallet cashback that was based on the cart rules, and you can see that we had manually added the wallet credit, and for that also we have the details here. So apart from that, we can also make use of the wallet transfer button here so as to transfer between wallets. So I can transfer to another customer as well, and to do that I just need to tap here on the wallet transfer button, and that brings up the section wherein we'll be able to transfer the wallet amount to another receiver's account or the wallet itself. So here you can see that we just need to enter the receiver's email address. So if we have another customer whose name is Peter Doe, for example, and while registration he had used peterdoe@example.com, then we just need to type in peterdoe@example.com, and we just need to tap on the amount that we need to transfer. So I'll be showing you that as well in a few moments from now. So before that, let's go to the my wallet section once again. So here we have the wallet amount that is available right now. We can transfer the wallet amount to another customer's wallet using this wallet transfer button, and we have the wallet transactions showing all of the cashbacks as well as the amounts that have been credited into a wallet and that have been debited as well while we were purchasing products within the WooCommerce store itself. Now let's go ahead and let's see how a customer would be able to add the amount to his wallet. So for that, for example, let's go ahead and let's add 100 pounds. So I'll enter the amount and I'll tap on the add to wallet button to the right of that. So now we can see that we are at the cart page, and here you can see that the product is wallet and the price is 100 pounds and the quantity is 1. Now from here the customer can tap the proceed to checkout button, and on the checkout button here the customer just needs to make use of the payment methods. So it depends upon the admin what different payment methods he has set up from the admin backend panel. So here you can see that we have the wallet transaction that is for £100. So £100 would be added to our wallet amount. And lastly, I'll just tap on the place order button, and this would place the £100 credit for our wallet itself. So you can see that the order has been received, the order number 134, and the total is £100 using the direct bank transfer payment method. Now this was done using the direct bank transfer. So whenever the admin receives the amount, the admin can change the status of this particular order from pending to completed. So let's go to the admin backend panel once. So I'll be logging into the WooCommerce admin panel by tapping in my username and password. Now thereafter, I just need to navigate to WooCommerce and then orders. And here you can see the order number 134, Peter Doe, and the status is right now on hold, and the total is for £100. And you can see that it was done via direct bank transfer. So I'll just make use of the status here, and I'll be changing the status to completed after I've received this particular order for the £100. Alright, the status has been changed. Now let's go back to the customer's account, and now let's go to our account panel by tapping the my account link. And now let's go to the my wallet section, and now you can see that we have £272.50 right now in our wallet. So that was how a customer would be able to add the amount to his wallet itself. Now under the wallet transactions, here you can see that the references for recharge of wallet for £100, and we have a wallet cashback on recharging the wallet as well. So these settings can be done by the admin from the backend panel module configuration settings. So we'll be showing that as well later in this particular video. So this was how we can add the amount to our wallet. Now let's go ahead and let's see how we can make use of the wallet amount to make a purchase within the web store itself. So I'll just go to the shop page, and here I'll just tap on this Happy Ninja product. So this product is for $35. I'll just tap on add to cart button. It has been added to the cart. Now I'll tap on view cart or the checkout. So for now, alright, now I'll tap on the proceed to checkout button. And here under the your order, you can see that we have this product Happy Ninja for $35, and the total is $35. So here at the checkout time, the customers can see the option of the wallet, as you can see right now. So I can tap on the wallet, and now I'll be able to pay with my wallet itself. And thereafter, I just need to tap here on the place order button to successfully place the order for the product that I'm going to purchase using the wallet amount itself. So the order has been placed for 136 order number, and the payment method is wallet here. Now I can go to my account section, I can go to the orders section, and here we have 136 order number, and the total was £35. It's processing. Let me tap on the view button. Now here you can see that the payment method was wallet, and the same is visible to the admin in the admin backend panel that the customer had used the wallet for making the purchase for that particular product. Now what happens if for example I'm going to add the same product once again to the cart, but the order amount would be more than what I have in my wallet. It also depends upon how the admin has set the configuration from the backend, because the admin can set the minimum and the maximum value for the wallet amount that can be used at the checkout time. So for example, if we have this product, and for example let me add that to the cart, and after adding to the cart, let me go to my cart page. I'll tap the view cart button for that, and now if I make this as, let's make it as 10, and let me update the cart. So you can see that the subtotal is right now $350. And let me open my wallet as well to show you the amount that is here within my wallet right now. So here's my wallet, and the amount is $237.50. So the products that I've added into my cart, for that the total is going like around $100 more, so it's $350. So now let's tap on the proceed to checkout button and let's see what happens there. Now on the checkout page here you can see that Happy Ninja 10 units, $350, 350 pounds. And now what happens is that the customer basically would be able to pay using his wallet, and can also make use of the other payment methods that are available right now to complete his order. So we're going to place the order for $350, but what we can do is we can basically pay some of the amount using our wallet by checking the pay via wallet option at the last, just below the place order button. And the rest of the amount, that is $100, can be done by the other payment methods that are there. So right now the admin has set the limit to the payment using the wallet as only 100 pounds right now. So at the checkout the customers can only make use of the $100. So it depends how much amount the admin has set for use for placing the orders at the time of checkout. So right now the limit is for 100 pounds, so only the 100 would be debited from our wallet, and the rest of the amount can be paid basically using the other payment methods. So we have chosen the pay via wallet, so some amount will be deducted from our wallet, and we just need to pay 250 pounds more. So for that I'll just check the option that is cash on delivery, and I'll tap on the place order button. So the order has been placed, and here you can see the total is for $250, and the cash on delivery is the payment method that we had used. So actually the order amount was 350 pounds there, but we used up our wallet for which the spend limit was set as $100 for any of the orders that would be going to be placed at the checkout time. So that's why only $100 were paid off from the wallet, and the rest of the amount was paid using the other available payment methods within your WooCommerce store itself. So here you can see we have $350. The payment via wallet was 100, and the payment method was cash on delivery, and the total was 250 for that. Now let me go to my account, and then I'll go to my wallet, and let's see. Alright, so right now you can see only 100 pounds have been deducted. So here you can see that we had recharged for 100. Wallet cashback on recharging the wallet was 20 pounds, using the wallet 35 when we placed the order for one product, and we used the wallet for making the payment for 350 pounds there, for which only 100 were deducted from my wallet amount itself. So that was how basically the customers can make use of the wallet for making the payments within the WooCommerce store. And now let's see how the customers can transfer the wallet amount to any other customer's wallet. So for that, just tap on the wallet transfer button here, and that brings up this section when you need to enter the receiver's email and the amount to transfer. So right now actually I've only created one customer, so let me create one more customer, and thereafter we'll be transferring the amount. So now to transfer the wallet amount to another customer's wallet, I'll just go to my wallet section, and here I can see the complete details of my wallet, and I'll tap on wallet transfer. Thereafter I'll be entering the receiver's email address and the amount to transfer, and then I'll try the transfer button thereafter. Now what happens is that after that an OTP is sent out to the customer on his registered email address or the telephone number. So this configuration can be set by the admin from the module backend settings, where the admin can enable the verification method as an email or the OTP. So after receiving the OTP, you just need to tap on the verify button. So after we have entered our OTP, we just need to tap on the verify button, and after that the customer would be able to transfer that particular amount. So for example, we were transferring £100 there. So the £100 would then be credited to the email address for the customer to whom we were trying to transfer the wallet amount to. So that was about the customer end, and now let's see how the admin basically would be able to configure this particular module initially, and the different options that are there for the admin to manage the wallet system itself. So for that, I'll be taking you to the admin backend panel now. So here I am. So I'll be logging into my backend panel. So here I am, as you can see. So after you have successfully installed this particular plugin, for the initial configuration, you just need to navigate through WooCommerce, then settings. On the setting page, we'll go to payments, and here we have the wallet system, as you can see, and here we can tap on the manage button that we have, and this brings up the wallet configuration, as you can see. So basically from here the admin would be able to enable this particular wallet functionality by checking the enable wallet payment option. Thereafter, the admin can set the title that would be visible to the customers at the checkout time. So this title that you enter here would be visible to the customers when they are going to select this wallet payment method type. Thereafter, we have the description. So this is here the admin just needs to enter the description or the payment method description that the customer will be able to see on your website itself. Thereafter, you can set the instructions as well. For example, pay with cash upon delivery. Then you have enable for shipping methods. So here you can select the shipping methods that can be made use of by choosing them up. And then you have the option to enable acceptance for the virtual orders as well. So if you want that the wallet should be used for the virtual orders as well, then you need to check this particular accept wallet if the order is virtual option as checked. Thereafter, you just need to tap on the save changes button. So that was the initial configuration. Now after that, the admin can see basically after you have successfully installed, you can also see the customer wallet option, and below that we have the customer wallet, transaction, cashback rules, and settings. Now let's go to each of them one by one. Let's go to the customer wallet initially. So here the admin would be able to see the customer wallet details, as you can see, and from here the admin basically can manually transfer the wallet amount to the customer's wallet, and can also export the wallet details here. So to transfer the amount manually to the customers, the admin just needs to tap here on the manual wallet transaction, and for exporting the wallet details he needs to tap here on this export wallet details button. So here the admin can see the customer wallet details, as you can see, with the orders that the customer has paid for using the wallet amount. Here you can see that the P2Do has the wallet amount right now for £137, and he has placed 6 orders using the same, and the last order details are visible as well. Apart from that, the admin can directly view the orders from here by tapping the view orders button on the right hand side, and here you can see the status date for each of the orders that have been placed. The admin can also make a refund back to the customer's wallet. So for that, you just need to tap on the order number that is there, and you just need to scroll down for that particular order. And on the left hand side here you can see we have a refund button, so we can just tap on that, and after that we can enter the refund amount. For example, we are going to refund £250, so I'll enter 250. Then we need to enter the reason for the refund, not liked, for example, and then we just need to tap on the refund £250 manually and tap on the OK button on the prompt that we see at the top. So thereafter, this amount would be refunded back to the customer's wallet. So thus the customers can now easily get the refunds as well, and the admin would also be able to easily refund the amount back to the customer's wallet. Now just give me a second, let me go to the customer's wallet now, and let's see whether this amount has been credited back to his wallet or not. Alright, so under the orders here you can see that the order that we had placed on June 17th, the order number 137, The status for that is right now refunded, and the total amount that is there for 250 pounds basically that have been returned to the customer for the 10 items that the customer had purchased from your WooCommerce store. So that was how the admin can manually send back the amount to the or basically refund the amount back to the customer. And the admin can also make use of the manual wallet transaction button here on the top to transfer the amount to the customer's wallet directly. So he just needs to enter the customer name, for example Peter, and then the amount $250. Action, you want to debit it or credit it, will credit. Transaction note for refund, and then we just need to tap on the save button. This would basically directly send out the 250 pounds to the customer's account. And let's go to the wallet section, and now you can see that here manual wallet credit for 250 pounds has been done by the admin to this particular customer itself from the admin backend panel. So that was how we can do a manual wallet transaction into the customer's account after we have refunded the particular order that the customer had placed using his wallet system. So this was about the customer wallet. Now let's go to transaction section. So now under the transaction section, the admin would be able to see all of the transactions that have been done using the wallet by the customers within the web store, and the admin can filter the transaction types by entering from and to dates. Apart from that, the admin can also filter the transaction according to credit, debit, refund, and transfer. And apart from that, the admin can export the wallet transaction details as well. Now let's get back to the cashback rules. So basically here the admin can add the cashback rules. To add a new rule, just tap on the add rule button, and this brings up the cashback rule information. And here the admin can choose the cashback type as fixed or percentage as per your own requirement. Then you can set the card total from and to values, and you can enter the cashback that would be allotted to the customer if the customer is basically adding the wallet amount, and that wallet amount within the card is from, for example, 100 to 500. Then the cashback would be 100 within the wallet of the customer. Now you can choose the cashback for whether you are creating this rule to set the cashback for the recharge. So if the customer does a recharge for 100 pounds to his wallet, then the cashback would be set for the recharge. Otherwise you can set this for card. So whenever within the card the customer basically is placing an order, and the card total is between 100 and 500 pounds, and if the customer uses the wallet for that, then 100 cashback would be added for the card itself. Then you can set the status for that as draft or published. Published would enable that particular cashback rule itself. So that was how we can add a cashback rule, and you can check the details here. Apart from that, you can delete the cashbacks one by one or in bulk as well by first checking them and then choosing the delete option. Now let's go to the settings option under the customer wallet. So here we have three different settings. One is the general, one is for the OTP system, and one is for the cashback itself. So under the general settings, the admin can set up the minimum wallet credit amount. So the customer, if wants to add money to his wallet, he needs to enter this much of amount, and below that if he tries to add any amount that is below 100, then the customer would not be able to add the amount to his wallet itself. So it should be more than 100 itself. Maximum wallet debit type, you can choose it as percentage or fixed. So this is the amount that would be debited when the customer is making use of his wallet within your WooCommerce store to purchase the products. And lastly, you can choose the maximum wallet debit amount. So this is the amount that would be debited at maximum if you are purchasing products from the WooCommerce store itself. Thereafter we have the OTP option. You can enable the OTP verification by checking this option. Otherwise, if you don't want to allow that, just leave it as it is. So to enable, just check it out. Then choose the OTP access method. You want to use the mail system or the SMS system. And if you're choosing the SMS system, then you need to enter the account SID, Twilio number, and the authentication token. And you also need to run one command to install the Twilio itself within your web store. And you can also set the OTP validation limit in minutes as well. And lastly, we have the cashback settings, wherein you can choose to enable the multiple cashback conditions, whether you want to set it as yes or no. So for example, if the customer is adding or recharging his wallet and he's getting 100 wallet amount for it, and at the same time, if he is now, for example, purchasing products from the store using the wallet amount, and the order amount is between 100 and 500, then if this option is chosen as yes, then both of the rewards would be added to his wallet for recharging as well and for the payment as well. Apart from that, you can choose a yes or a no for that. If you choose a no for the multiple cashback options, then for the preference in multiple cashback, you can choose whether the cart option should apply or whether the product should apply. And lastly, just tap the save button to save the configuration settings. So that was much about the WordPress WooCommerce Wallet System, and I hope it helped you out. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise your ticket at webcool.uvides.com. Thanks for watching this video, and